online time. Yeah. No.
What?
Fringy.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
So offline students joined. So let me just share the file today. Please refer the file. And open the sheet.
Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
So whenever you open the file, you'll get this option, enable editing. Please click on that. I've shared the file. Please mute yourself. I'm waiting more 3 minutes, then I'll start.
Sir, please share the file again.
You will not find it. I'm waiting for other users to join as soon as possible so that I can reshare it. Please join and be ready. I'll be sharing it. Anyone else who is waiting to join in? I've shared it. Please open. Download it. And go to that demo class, the first one. The first page I'm saying you, go to through that and check it out.
Recording in progress.
Wow. Now at least are we good? Can I get the response at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what do you see? What do you understand based on this? Can I get the response, please? My goodness, again, 5 members have joined in.
Uh, those uh, those are the symbols which used to lock the cells or row.
Okay. Anything else? Just try, go through that, as I said to you, try to understand what exactly it means, so that it will be very easy for you to understand the concept. Locking system, okay. Because going forward, you will be working on that only in real-time scenarios.
This dollar symbol reference the exact particular digit or a figure value where we log the things
Okay. So how this dollar symbols will come?
by entering the formula.
No. Anything else? See the examples also there
F4.
below.
By
pressing
Lock.
F4.
F4.
F4 and F1
Can you see here the function?
function keys.
Whenever you want to lock, okay, whenever you want to lock any cell or any specific range, then you will be using Fn and F4. Directly you will click here. If it is not locking, then you have to use function key, which is highlighted here to here. I hope this makes clear.
Yes.
But how? How it's gonna work? Let's see. For example, I'm just typing here equals to any one cell. Okay. And if I press F4, is it getting locked?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
The same way I want you guys to cross check. Can you guys cross check once? Just I have typed equals to and I have selected one cell, any one cell randomly. There is no mandatory that you have to select the same cell.
It's getting low.
Okay, for few users, is it getting locked?
Yes, sir.
If you're not getting, also it's okay. Say me. Is it getting locked?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You users are you are getting, I know that. For few users, everyone will not get this option. So that is the reason I'm asking. In case if you are not getting it, you need to press simultaneously Fn button and F4 button simultaneously. At a time, if you press, you'll get this lock. Check it out now. So I've clearly mentioned here. Is it working?
I'm not working, sir.
So
Yes.
for that, you guys have to select any
I
one
guess it's
cell.
not working for me.
Yes. If you select any one cell, after selecting, press this and press this at the same time.
Tried simultaneously.
Yes.
Fn F4.
Function key F4, not F or 4. You have a function keys which is highlighted here. Please have a look here before checking. Whenever you want to cross verify, just have a look here once. Is it getting locked or not? Are you getting the dollar sign? That is very important. Okay.
Working fine with only F4. Thank you.
If it is working with F4 also, it's fine. First, you need to press this and check. If it is not working, then you have to press Fn and F4. Simultaneously, you have to press these two at the same time. Then only you can see the dollar sign. When you see $2 sign, this cell, specific cell, no, any cell. Before the column and before the row, if you see, then that is called your cell freeze. What do we call? Cell freeze or cell lock. Why do you need to lock and in which scenario you'll be using? I'll be discussing later. So if you press one time, you're locking the cell. If you press two times, what you're locking? Before 27. So you see before 27, it is getting a dollar sign. This is called row lock. What do you call this? Row lock. The dollar sign is before the numbers. If I press one more time, so where is the dollar sign now? Before the column. Before F, it is a dollar sign. So this is called your column lock. I hope this makes clear. If you again press one more time, you will not get any lock. So totally, one time if you press, it may lock the cell. Two times if you press, it may lock the row lock. Three times column lock. Can you guys cross check in your system? Manu, suppose if you are selecting and if you are pressing F4, this one, can you see in my keyboard? If you press, is it giving you a dollar sign or not? Manu. Is it from online or offline? In case if you're not getting this dollar sign, then you need to press this and this at same time.
Sir, I'm not getting the dollar sign.
Then you have only pressing this, you're not getting it?
No, I'm not getting it.
Then
I'll
press
tell you
this
what
and
I'm
press
doing.
this.
I'm
Fn
sorry?
and F4. Can you see in my keyboards here?
Yeah, I did that also, but still I'm not getting dollar sign.
Did you press equals to and selected the cell?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen now.
So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Suppose here I'm putting equal to and I'm pressing the F4 sign.
No, first you need to select the cell, no? After pressing the equal to sign, just select the cell. Now F4. F4, not F and 4. It's a function key F4. You're not pressing. You're pressing something else. You're pressing something else, ma'am. I've clearly mentioned here. Please have a look.
I've pressed equal to.
See
then
here,
I'm-
see here, see here, see here. Do you see this F4 in my screen?
Yes, but I don't, I have like that F4 in my screen.
Yes. Are you pressing this F and this 4?
No, no.
No. Do you see this Fn also?
Yes, I do see that Fn also when I'm
Okay.
pressing that.
But
and
I can't see
F4,
the complete
it's not
thing.
working.
Listen. I can't see the complete thing of your screen. Okay. So what I'm saying, just try it in this way. first press equals to, select any one cell, and then just click on this or press this with your keyboard. Just press, are you seeing the dollar sign or not? Just check. Don't do anything. You don't have to come somewhere else. Just keep, touch this F4. Are you getting dollar sign?
No, I'm not getting.
Okay. Now the same thing. The cursor is moving like this. Can you see here? Is it moving like this? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now press Fn
Mm-hmm.
with one thumb and then index finger. Press F4.
Yes, sir, I got it now.
Thank you. Anyone else? Cool. So now, absolute reference is when a reference has a dollar sign. So whenever you have a dollar sign, that is called absolute reference. Okay. Relative reference is nothing but without a dollar sign. So you can move anywhere, any place. Okay. And when you have a mixed reference, we call it as column and row lock. I hope this makes clear with this. Okay. For example, now here, listen carefully, everyone. In this scenario, you have 399, 300 and 499. You need a total sales. So you have to use this plus this. Will you lock the cell? Yes. If you lock, what will happen? Let's see. Suppose if I'm selecting this, locking the cell plus, and this cell again I'm locking. So I got 799. It's the right answer. If I go towards down, what I'm getting? So even 456 plus 271 is 799. You mean to say that? Do you think so? No, right? So this is a wrong. You should not lock whenever you're moving towards down or towards right. When you want to calculate row by row, whenever you want to calculate row by row, never lock it. Okay. Now I'm just selecting the cell plus and the cell. If I select these two, I'm getting 799. If I double click at the end edge, you can see the different values. So this is called relative reference, where you're not locking the cells. Got it? Can you guys cross check once?
Hello, are you?
Is it working fine?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, the question is here. Everyone, please pay attention if you are done with that.
Sir, can you repeat once again?
See, whenever you want to calculate the row wise, 300 plus 499, 456 plus 277, 271, then you should not lock the cell. Okay, that is called relative reference. So we are related 1 plus 1, result 1 and result 2. Clear? Now coming to the next concept. Now here, you have a data like this and you have to multiply only with 3. 39 plus into 3. 34 into 3. So you need to multiply with this value. Again 10 into 3. 10 into 3 again. Again 45, like this. So which cell you gonna lock? Any one cell is moving.
Absolute. Sorry,
This cell is moving, right? These cells are moving. So these are the different cells. But this cell is it moving or is it fixed? When it is fixed, you will be using absolute, the cell lock. Getting it? Now this is not moving. In this case, this was moving and this was moving. In this case, these two were moving. Again, here also it were moving. But in this scenario, this is moving, but this is not moving. So when you're not moving any cell, then you will be locking that cell. Or else you'll get the wrong answer. For example, if I multiply without locking the cell, what will happen? Let's see. What I'm getting here? You mean to say 10 threes are, it's a value error? 34 threes are, it is 0? Do you think so? No, right? So is this the right answer or wrong answer? Wrong answer. So why? Let me explain you. If you properly see 39 multiplied by 3, and here 39 multiplied by what? Blank, not the 3. Here 10 is multiplied by cost, and here if you see 10 is multiplied by with 117. So the cells are moving again, but I want to lock this cell so that it should not move. For that, what we're gonna use it? We're gonna use absolute lock. So we'll be pressing multiply and then D11. You need to lock this cell. If you lock it, it will not move. Now, if you see here towards down, you can see if you select any cell, is it multiplying with 3? So what is the answer? 63. 16 multiplied by 3, you are getting 48. Is it clear? So this is how it works. Cross-check in your system. And when I explain, if you're touching your system, then you'll not understand. It is very simple.
Done.
Yes.
Sir, can I please explain once more?
That's what I said. No, when I'm explaining, if you touch your system, you'll not understand. Let them others do it. Again, I'll explain you. Don't worry.
Hello, you.
Can you explain again? I have done right now.
That's what I said. I'll explain. Let others complete that.
Okay, okay. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, again, one more time. Please have a look. When you want to calculate only with this cell, then you will be locking this cell. To lock this, you have to use F4 or Fn, F4 one time. And this will give you a $sign like this. I'm just showing you here. It will show you in this way. $sign D, $sign 11. So why do you need to lock it? Let's understand this. If I type this multiply by 3, if I select this cell, and if I drag it towards down, I'll get the wrong answer, which is not matching. 10 3s are 30 it should be, but I'm getting 1170, which is not matching. The reason why, this is selecting different cell. To select the exact cell, I need to lock that cell. To lock it, we will be using the multiplication option. So first we will be selecting this, multiply. After multiply, we need to select this cell and we need to lock it with F4. This is called cell lock, absolute value. So once you click on this, and then if you double click on this edge, you're gonna get the output. And this is how you're gonna lock it. I hope this makes clear. To others online?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I hope this is clear. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now the second question. Do you see here this portion? The one which is row lock. Do you see this? Okay. How the calculation is going? How the calculation will go? This 39 should be multiplied by 15%. This 34 should multiply by 15%. So this 10%, 10 should be multiplied by. So you should see the cost by 15%. So which one you gonna lock? 15%. 15% should be locked. This will be free because you're calculating this to this, this to this, and this to this. So 15% should be locked in a row lock. Okay, sir, I can do the cell lock also. Yes, I agree. You can use this option also, but I need you guys to learn with a row lock also, how it works. Clear? So for example, let's understand this. If I'm typing here this 39 into and selecting this cell and typing 2 times F4 or pressing 2 times F4, do you see that? Which lock it is? Row lock. And then you're gonna get the same answer. 5.8, 5.1 and 1.5. This is matching with this number. Is it clear? Yes. Now you may not make out any differences between this number and this number, whatever the freeze you have done. Agreed. But going further, you will be seeing the output in a different way. Okay. So I would suggest you do with a row lock. How to do the row lock? 2 times
F4.
F4. Can you guys try it? And it will show you like J $, and it should be the 11 number, I guess. Yes. J99. Yes, J9. So the output will be like this.
Done.
Thank you.
Done.
Sir, show it once again.
Yes, sure. Why not? See, you need to press this cell 39, multiply by 15, and you have to use $sign in a 2 times. So $sign should be coming before the row number. That is called row freeze. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, for one day, you can't understand this pattern. I know very well. And within a day, you can't learn also. It needs more practice. Remember this. I'm not saying in one day you will get it. I hope we are good. Yes, no,
Yes,
no,
sir.
yes.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the upper one.
Once more, sir.
Hmm? Now this is called column lock. But how you gonna use this column lock? Let's understand here. So whenever you want to learn about the column lock, whenever the value is moving towards right hand side, you're gonna lock that value. Okay. For example, which value will be you will be locking it? 39?
Yeah.
Because this value is going with 15% and this value is connecting with 35%. So this value need to be locked. So which lock you gonna use? Column lock. So how many times you need to press? 3 times.
3 times.
And how the output will come? Let me just show you. The output will be in this way. $, and I, it is I, okay? I, 4, I guess, or 5, I5. It will be in this format. Clear? So before the column, you're locking it. So here also, I'm just using the same thing. This cell, I'm gonna lock it and multiply by 15. And when I move towards right-hand side, you can see the output. So 39 is multiplying by K3. Okay? So this is how it works. Please have a look. Check in your system. After that, you have a task here.
Done, sir.
Thank you.
So,
Good. Yes. Your voice is low, buddy. Your voice is low. Is it clear? Would you like to ping me? I don't think so. He's speaking with me. Cool. Now, everyone, come to this page. Come to this page. Now, you know 3 locks. One is cell lock, one is column, and one is row. Clear? You'll be writing one formula here. And when you drag it till here, you should get the output. So what output you should get it here? You should get 10 into 10. What should be the value? 10 tens are 100. I should get 100. Now let me just show you. If I write the formula here, this multiplied by this, and if I select the range, you know how to select it, right? and you know how to use it. Control R and Control D to fill right and to fill down. Are you getting the right answer here? But with one formula only, I should get the answer. Getting the concept here? If I write a formula and if I drag towards right and towards down, I should get 100 here. Can you guys try it? Just try once.
Sir, repeat it once again.
Sir, here 10 tens are 100 should be there. Right? 10 into 10. What will be the answer?
100.
100. I should get 100. But you should not manually type everywhere like this. You should not type. One formula is enough. You need to fill it towards right and down. Like this, you need to fill. And you should get 100. Only one formula you'll write. And you'll write the formula here. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now, which output you're gonna use? Just check it out.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm not getting that answers.
Try it. No, try, I said. Try with the different ways. You have 3 shortcuts.
Yeah, but firstly, F1 button is not at all working here.
Reference is not working. Huh?
FN,
FN.
as you told.
Uh-huh. So when I was asking what you were doing, buddy,
I have tried to come up, but there were another persons too here.
great. Would you like to share your screen? Are you gonna do that?
Doing that. I'm getting the error like we cannot start screen share while other participation
Go
is shared.
ahead. Share it again. Who is Sandhya?
Yes, I am.
Good.
Thank you.
No. Go back to the previous sheet. Type anywhere. Yeah, equals to. Select any one cell. Now press only F4, the function key F4. See, if you press F4, it will
Having
not come like that.
FN and Alt button, which for?
No.
Yeah.
Listen carefully now. Mirza, just listen carefully. Do you see escape option in your system? The keypad? Escape button in a keypad. Guys, if you don't want to listen, then please let me know what I'm saying and what you're doing it.
Escape button, I have clicked here.
You have it now. No, you don't have to click. Did I say you to click?
Okay.
Then do you see I asked? Please press equals to sign and select a one cell. Do you see escape button over there?
Yes.
Do you see F1, F2, F3, F4?
This FN button is different with the upper row 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you seeing?
is-
No. Wait. Are you seeing next to the escape F1, F2,
Yes.
F3, F4?
Yes, I'm saying.
Yes. Press F4 once.
Yeah, it's getting only number here.
You will not get this number, buddy. Basically, you will not at all get this number. That's what I'm saying.
But after clicking on FN, then I am pressing 4. Then I am getting the answer as a
Why
4. Yes.
your
Or normally I'm clicking 4 2.
Right
There
now-
it is getting 4.
Hello, are
Mirza,
you?
wait a minute, that buddy. Wait. Others, please be quiet. Mirza, पहले सुन लो.
Yes.
F1 पे F2, F3, F4 रहेगा. या तो फिर ब्राइटनेस, या तो प्ले, या तो म्यूट, वो ऑप्शन रहेगा, या तो फिर लॉकिंग का रहेगा. सिर्फ F4 प्रेस करना है डायरेक्टली, एस्केप बटन के पास रहेगा. दिख रहा है आपको? नो. लेट मी जस्ट शेयर माय स्क्रीन. आपको ये बटन्स दिख रहे हैं सर? मेरे स्क्रीन में देखिए.
जी, दिख रहा है।
ये वाला बटन आपके सिस्टम पे है या नहीं, इतना ही पूछ रहा हूँ.
F4 ऐसे बटन नहीं है,
ऐसे नहीं है.
नॉर्मल 1 2 3 4 है।
ऊपर में 1 2 3 4 है, तो ठीक है.
यस।
इफ यू हैव 1 2 3 4, देन आप यहाँ पर बोल रहे हो ये वाला.
यस।
ये वाला काम नहीं करेगा ना. अगर आपको ये यूज करना है, देन यू हैव टू यूज शिफ्ट FN एंड देन F4. F4 लिखा हुआ है कहीं आपके कीबोर्ड में?
नहीं लिखा हुआ है।
कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखा है कीबोर्ड में. आर यू श्योर?
Yes, because I am finding only FN button like it's showing in the image.
This F1 button you are seeing, I agree, but don't you see this F4 at
No.
least anywhere written?
None.
Take a
Not
screenshot
written.
of your keypad and share it in the chat box, no?
Sure.
Thank you. Do that way. I just want to have a look once. Okay, others, only one user got the answer, Sandhya.
I
Then-
got it, sir.
Share in the ping. Ping me up in the chat box. Share the answer. बातें कोई ना. Now see here. Whenever you're going towards downside, which number is going towards downside? These numbers are going towards down. Agreed? Which number you need to lock? 2. So this lock will be what? Row or column? What do you think? Column lock?
Row lock.
Row lock, because this value is connecting to this. Okay? And whenever you're moving towards right hand side, which value is moving towards right hand side? Which value? Which value? This value is moving towards column side. Can you see that? So which should be locked here? 2. So this should be in which lock? Column lock or row lock? Column lock, because you're moving towards right hand side. Remember, whenever you move towards right hand side, it should be column lock. And whenever you move towards downside, it should be row lock. So this 2 value is moving towards right hand side. So column lock. This 2 value is moving towards downside. So it should be row lock. You should fix this lock and this should be locked again. Then only you're gonna get the answer. Okay. Let me just show you one example. This value, I'm moving towards right hand side. For example, if I don't lock, just have a look. If I move towards right hand side, can you see here? Earlier, which value it was? B, 3. Now what you're seeing here? So which one you should lock? B, 3 should be locked, or D, 2 should be locked? B3 only? So if
B3.
you lock this, okay. You're moving towards which side? Right side. So which column, which lock it should be? For column lock, 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. So before B, you should have a dollar sign. Is it clear? Okay. So now if I move towards right hand side, let's see, I should get 2 tens of 20. Am I getting it? So it is calculating like this. Okay, fine. Now, if I go towards down, now let's see what I'm getting. I should calculate 3 twos, but what I'm getting. So which lock I should use for 3 2? Whenever you're going towards down, you have to lock row. So now if you move towards down, let's see, 2 tens of 20. It's matching. Now, once you have done this freezing part, you will select this cell, the entire cell. Okay, to select that, you should select the cell, shift and select till here. Control R and Control D. Within a second, you got the answer. Got the point here? So which is a formula? I'm just showing you here. The formula will be B3 will be a column lock, C2 will be a row lock, because C2 is moving towards down and B3 is moving towards right hand side. So that is the reason. Do it if you have missed. And yes, if you guys are, no, not you guys, few users from online, as I said you, we can learn multiple times, right? We can enroll multiple times. So via virtual, we can enroll multiple times. Now, few students are there in this batch who are already learned this Excel from different trainer, from myself also, it may be. Okay. If they have learned it, for them, there is a few tasks in this same sheet you need to refer and you need to do it. Clear? Going further, you have it. And I have changed the design pattern a bit. The file will be same, but the design pattern is different for them. For you, it is in a simple manner now. Then don't get confused. Sir, हमारे time पे पढ़ाया नहीं, इनके time पे पढ़ा रहे. No, nothing like that. Every time I'll be upgrading based on the interview questions. Clear?
Are you based there is any key like apart from Control D and R, because that is not working for
No,
me.
it will work, ma'am. Control D and Control R. If it is not working, then well and fine. You can use in a this way.
Drag. Okay, sure.
See, press Shift and select this. Go to
Okay.
Fill. Use right and down.
Okay.
This option is also there.
Thank you.
Thank you. I hope everyone got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, still you'll not understand. It takes time, but actually this is your interview questions. For a fresher, they're gonna ask you this kind of a question, a simple question, to check how good you are in freezing the rows or freezing the columns. Can I go to the next page? And
Sir.
Mirza, would you like to share the screenshot if you don't mind? I just want to have a look.
Sir, I'm not able to drag the formula.
Share this the process.
Okay. 1 minute, buddy. I'll just come again with your question.
Okay, sure.
Now, let me just have his keypad, no? Once. How it is. You have it. Mirza, do you see here? F4, above the 4. Are you listening?
Yes, I am listening.
हाँ, ये वाला, ये और ये पहले इसे प्रेस करके देखो काम होगा या नहीं करके. अगर डॉलर साइन नहीं आ रहा है, then press this and press this one, not this one. You're pressing this, which is wrong. Clear? This one and this one. First press this. If the dollar sign is not popping up, then select this and select this.
Can I share the screen?
Now you got it, no? Where you have to press.
Yes.
Good. Now share it. Now you are getting it.
Yes.
You will get the result 0, but dollar sign you are getting it. Can you try it one more time? Just select any one cell. Press now. मिल गया? Push.
Yes.
Sir,
Thank you.
multiplication sign.
नहीं मैडम, वो चेक कर रहा है, उसका काम नहीं हो रहा था.
अच्छा.
हाँ. Yes, Farzana, take it. Okay. So now go to this Mirza 117. Come to this 117. Delete that. Delete everything. Equals to 39. Into. Select the 3. Yes. Now lock it. Enter. And now select the corner and double click. Double click just. Nothing else you have to do. Just double click at the corner. नहीं वैसे नहीं. Enter करके. No. आराम से Mirza. Wait. Listen ना. Listen. I'm here. Just do you see the pointer over there at the edge?
Yes.
Yeah, double click there. That's it. It's simple. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yes, buddy. How to fill it down and right?
Yes.
Okay, see. So first you need to learn how to select the range. To select the range, you have to press this number 4, shift until here down arrow. Select the area. Then Control R towards right hand side to fill the right. Control D towards down. If you're not getting this, you can use these two options.
Okay,
Clear?
I'm trying. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, can you tell after clicking 4 what we have to do?
You have to fill the record, sir. Just now I have explained. Okay, can we go ahead? Cool. Now let's move to the next one, basic aggregate. Okay, the first thing, we'll start from here onwards formulas. Okay, so whenever you write the formula, the sign should be what? before writing the formula? Equals to selecting the number, which means range selecting. Okay, selecting the number and closing the bracket. So let me explain you each formula. It has a definition also, syntax also. How to apply, you need to understand here. So for example, no one will touch your screen. Even though if you are experienced, please wait. It's a humble request. So here, I need a count. Count of what? Count of these numbers. Okay. So you need to understand what you required. Based on the requirement only, you will be using this formulas. Formulas are used for your requirement and then the output, whatever you get the result. Clear? So here equals to count. Whenever I type here count, counts the number of cells in a range that contains number. Okay, which means in this data, suppose I'm using from here till here, the range. If I'm selecting this range, it has to count only the numbers. Can you see that? So how many records you have? It is counting only the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Exact numbers. So 12 records you have it in this. Clear? Now again I'm showing you how to write the formula. Equals to count. This was your definition. And then whenever you use tab, in your keyboard you have tab. Remember TAB. If you press there, after this formula, you will get the open bracket automatically. Okay. So manually don't type where is the, open parentheses and closing parentheses. No, you'll not type that. Just click on tab. You'll get this answer. Once you open the bracket, you will see value 1, value 2. So which means you need to select this number. Now, if it is a range, you have to press shift and you have to select till here. So from here to here, you're going to select and close a bracket. Then enter. It is counting. Now, let's see about the count A. Count A counts the number of a cell in a range that are, okay, it will count the numbers, but it will not count empty cells. Are you getting it? So if I select this and if I'm closing, how many values I'm seeing? 12. Now count blank. If I type count blank and if I select, okay, let's see, count the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. So if I select this range and close the bracket, what I'm getting? Do you have any blank cells? No. If I delete any one cell, now do you see the blank? Okay, but I'm getting count and count A same. What is the difference? Let's see. If I type XLR, which is counting and which is not counting? Okay, so here count, what count is doing? Count only numbers. Okay, what count A will do? Count A will count numbers and text. What count blank will gonna do? Counts only blanks, empty cell or blanks, you can say. Is it clear? Can you guys try now?
Hello, are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I share my screen? Mixed reference. I did not understand the concept. When I'm dragged now.
Share your screen, ma'am. Others, please try it.
Is it visible?
About to. Yes.
Yeah. These numbers are going out when I'm
Because
dragging.
you have done the wrong thing.
Okay.
Row and row. See, there is no column at all. B3 should be column freeze.
Can I remove this?
Double click on that. Number 4. Now come here in the B3. Select the B3. No, the formula here.
Okay, yeah.
You have mentioned there. Double click on that. यस, B3 के पास कर्सर रखो। हाँ, अब F4 प्रेस करो या फंक्शन F4। हाँ, now it is perfect. No, column freeze. The last option. Yes, enter.
This one.
$sign. Before B, it should be a $sign.
Okay, okay. This one, na?
No, not this.
After. Okay.
Column. Yes, enter. Now drag it towards right, fill it right, fill right, towards right. Getting it?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you, Sandhya. Are we clear?
And how to use the control D and controller?
Selecting the range first. First, you have to select no.
Okay.
Select the range from here to here.
Okay.
Control D.
Okay. Thanks.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, if we get some duplicates in the table, how can we count specific numbers, sir? How can we count a specific number using a function?
Specific numbers.
Yeah,
For that, you have a condition, right? So which
yeah,
number
yeah.
to identify? Then that is different.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Are we good till here?
Yes, sir.
Here?
Yes,
Below
sir.
your can you guys cross check once? Below you have a question here. And for old students, you can also try this. There's a new thing added. Try to understand the question and then do it.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Write the formula.
All data including items and sales, is it?
No, you can refer only the sales.
Okay.
सर ब्लैंक्स दोनों के फाइंड आउट करना।
आंसर तो एक ही आएगा ना सर। So total count of items. How you gonna use? Which formula?
Count
Count
A.
or count A?
Okay.
Count A.
I'm going with count because total count they said, no? If I type count and if I select the items, what I'm getting? So we have a 0 items, no, right? Then if I select count A and if I select the items, now, so which formula I should use?
Count here.
A.
Count A.
Thank you. Now count a total count of sales. If I select here, again count, and if I select this range, so how many counts you have? 4. But the data is with 5 because even you have a text contains. The data contains 5, but only the numbers you're counting. So the sales are numbers. So you'll use which formula?
Count.
Formula. Thank you. Now count the blank. Even though if you're using, see, when you see here count of sales, then always refer the second cell should be always sales again, because here he has started from the sales. Now he is asking count the blank. So count the blank for only sales now. Again, count blank, selection of this range. How many you have?
1.
1. And the last one, count of all data. So then which formula you're gonna use?
Count A.
Count A. Exactly right. So you will be selecting the sales again, closing the bracket. So this is how the answer should be. I hope this is clear. So most of the users, they get confused here for the first question itself. Got it? So make sure this. Please make a note. Good one, Sandhya. Okay, if you're done, you have below again the questions. Can you guys cross check now? No, all the data from the sales column. So you should add no data also, because that is called as the data only, no? The text. I need to count everything. But when I talk only about the sales, it should be 4.
All data means the entire.
No. Only the sales, because we are referring from here itself. Okay. Get me the answer for this.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Ping me in the chat box.
Instead of sales, there is items. So we have to calculate items. For count of blanks and count of all data.
These two. This one. Count of items, you'll be using only the counts of items, the column name. When I'm talking about count of sales, you should only select the sales column. All data, see, as I said to you, when you start from the sales, the rest all question will be related to sales only. Yeah, items. Then you have to select both. right? Equals to, have a look everyone. The first question is your count blank. So you need to select from Jan till March and then close the bracket. Okay, do you have any blanks over there? No. Do you have any blank? One blank. And in this, two. In this, two. So like this, you will be seeing the blanks. Okay. Now, here, again, if I want to count the entries, then which formula I should use? Count. Because these are numbers, right? But how many I'm getting? But how many numbers I have? But why this is not calculated as a number? Huh? Just because it is not having a decimal number. Okay, chalo, theek hai. Let's try to understand this also. Even in this now, I don't have a decimal value. Now, see, these two are a number format and this is actually a text format. You'll not be able to identify these things. Okay, later on you will understand the concept. These two are number format and this is your text format. So whenever you get a text format, count will not work. As I said, count will only count the numbers. So these two are the number format. For that, which option you need to use? Count A. And then you need to select. Now, are you getting it? So this is how the formula works. Can you guys cross check? Shrutika.
Got it, sir.
Thank you. And what Ashwini has done, let's see. Ashwini, your answer is also wrong.
Yeah.
I hope this makes clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, scroll up. And you will see these formulas in the G column and H column. So let's take a break for 5 minutes. Relax yourself. After that, we're going to start with this. Clear? Okay, everyone, let's come back. So why we gonna use sum? To add the numbers, to add the values. Okay, we use sum. So if I type here sum, easily you can see the definition. Adds all the number in a range of cell. So if you use tab and if you select the range from here to here and close the bracket, enter. Do you see the value? Okay. What is average? Let's see. The average, it will just give you the calculation of average cell, the total number of average. The minimum will give you the minimum value from this number. Which is your minimum value? 23. So you're gonna get that answer. Okay. Now the max, which is the maximum value out of this? 793. So these are the 4 basic formulas of arithmetic. Can you guys try it? I know you guys have tried, but still.
सर
Yes, please.
सर आप एक्सेल के लिए बेस्ट वेबसाइट सजेस्ट कर दो जहाँ से हम प्रैक्टिस कर सके.
हाँ मैडम, पहले मेरे आंसर्स कंप्लीट कर दो, उसके बाद मैं बता दूंगा मैं. ठीक है, आंसर्स 100% होनी चाहिए रिकॉर्ड के हिसाब से.
ओके सर.
तो डेफिनेटली मैं बता दूंगा. ठीक है,
यस सर.
थैंक यू. तो अभी फिलहाल के लिए मुझे सेकंड हाईएस्ट. ओके, सो लार्ज एंड स्मॉल. ओके, यहाँ पर सम क्वेश्चंस वी हैव. Second minimum value and fourth maximum value. Can I get the answer, ma'am? Viva? How many members have tried this? Something large and small? You got the answer? First, you need to understand the question, right? Without understanding the question, you can't get it. So if you type here large, sorry. If you type here large and if you select this value and close the bracket, are you getting anything? No, you're getting error. In short, whenever you type large, you have two conditions here. One is array and the second one is k. Okay, array is nothing but your range. And then give a comma k, the position number, which position you need. I need fourth maximum value. So out of this number, which one is fourth maximum value? So I'll be typing 4 and I'll close the bracket. And let's see which value it is. 584. Let's understand. 793, 705, 692, and 584. The fourth value. Got it? So you have to write here large, select the range. K is nothing but the position number. Which position number you're looking for? Fourth position number, the largest 4. Okay, smallest second number. So minimum is 23. What is your second minimum value? 65. So you have to
65.
small, select the range, and give here second and close the bracket. Clear on this? Can you guys try it? Because in a huge data, you can't check the values. You know, I need second highest sale, third highest sale, which country it belongs to. And that time you required this. Good one, Vibha.
Done.
Okay. Now coming to the total unit price. Are we good till here? You want time? Is it done or you want more 1 minute?
Yes, done.
Done, sir.
Okay. So in a O column, you have total unit price. So how do you calculate the total unit price? So which
Sum
formula are you gonna
product.
use? Multiplication?
Multiplication.
Yes. So we'll not be typing here this into this. If I ask you the formula, then you have to be ready with the formula also. The formula name is product. Okay. Product will multiply the numbers. So you have to select this 2 unit, comma, unit price, and you will get the answer. Clear on this? Can you guys get it?
Sir.
Good. It's a formula text. It is available from 2016, I guess. Thank you. Now let's see here. To get this total unit price, which means I need a grand total. Grand total. What should I do to get the grand total? Sum of all this range. Agreed? So you got this value. Can you guys try it? Okay. Now, listen carefully here. If I delete this total unit price, what is happening with my grand total? I should not get 0 even though if I delete this. Even though if I delete that, I should not get 0. And if I change the number from here, this total, grand total should be changing. So we have one formula which is called sum product. Okay, so we're gonna use here sum product formula, and I'm selecting the units one, this separate one column, and here I'm just separating one more column and closing the bracket. Am I getting the same answer? Okay, the grand total answer. If I delete this record, is it getting deleted? No. So without adding a unit price, we can get the output with the help of which formula?
Sum product.
Sum product. So what this sum product is gonna do is, first it will do the multiplication, then it gonna add your data. Clear? Same like your product. First you have done the product, then you have done the sum. So that is called sum product. But you are selecting the range here. Do it.
Sir, repeat it once again.
Sure, sir. Suppose if you delete this record, this value is getting deleted, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So even though if I delete this, this value should not get deleted. To use that, we have a formula called sum product. So
Okay.
I have selected the units and then I have selected the unit price.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it is gonna multiply first, row wise, then it will gonna do sum.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Renika is too fast. This formula she's sharing now. Chalo, koi baat nahi. Okay. A small task, not for freshers, but if you want to try, you can try. But experienced candidate. Let's see. Okay. Type here something called numbers. Just type in M column. M14 is a header called numbers. In M15, type 385, 695, 725, 125, and 565. So these are the random numbers I have chosen. Just type first. Go ahead and do it. Same numbers, everything. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One is large and one is small. How do I need the output? I'm just showing you here. So which is the highest one here? 725. Which is the second highest?
690.
Which is the third highest?
565.
Which is the fourth one? And last one?
125.
Okay. But manually, I'll not be doing like this. I'll write only one formula. When I drag it down, I should get like this, the output. I should get the output directly. Okay, first thing. Not now. This is for your tomorrow's task. Don't worry. It's a homework. Now, in small, the smallest number, then second smallest number is 385, and then 565, 695, and 725. But you will only write the formula here. When you drag it, you should get the output like this. Clear on this? So this is a task. Only first two formulas you'll write. And when you drag it, you should get the result. Viba, you can at least try.
Yes, sir.
And others, my previous batch students, I want this result. Not now. Huh? No sort by. You'll be using large and small only. I've given the condition. Not now, not now. Relax. This is a homework. Chill. Come on, move to the next page. Switch to the next page, everyone. Okay, one of our student, he asked us, sir, if I have a condition, how to write it? Whenever you have a condition, you will be using which formula? Count if. If is known as logical condition and count will count the data. Okay, it may be a text or number, doesn't matter now. So count if will count the condition based on your requirement. So total number of employee from which city? Mumbai city. So do you have any employee column here? No. Do you have any city column?
Yes.
Based on the city column, if you count the Mumbai, you will get the total employee. Okay. If Mumbai is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Tomorrow, if I write somewhere Mumbai, I should get 5. Getting it? Okay. So how to write this formula? Let's see. So if I type here count if, counts the number of a cell with in a range that meet the given condition. My condition is to find Mumbai city. Okay, so when I use here tab, the range is nothing but your data set, the column, city column. You'll not take the entire table. You will take only the specific column, in which column you require. And what is your condition now? Mumbai. Double quotes. Whenever you type text, you have to use double quotes. Mumbai, and you got it. So what it is changing into? Currencies. So you need to change into general. Is it clear? This is your total count of Mumbai city's employee. So I'm just writing the formula. You can just cross check and do it. Can you guys try it?
Answer.
Good. Okay, if I need the second answer, count the number lesser than 20,000. So which column I should select? Salary column, because I have a number only in the salary column. So here we're gonna use the formula called COUNTIF. We're gonna select the range of salary column, give a comma and type lesser than 20,000, which you have done yesterday. And again, you have it. The same thing, I want you guys to do it with the below one.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Always refer the data from the column header.
Sir, is it mandatory to type the quotation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Keyboard? Yeah, I've logged it. Something is there. Can I get the mouse? Mouse. One word should be there. It's a scroll lock. Anyone is using extra keyboard, just check with them. Then you have to connect with that. Okay, now the next question. So here you're gonna use COUNTIF. You will be selecting the range of salary greater than or equals to 30,000. How much value you got? Is it a matching? Okay. Now coming to the next question. Total salary of Mumbai city. So first thing, you will be using SUMIF. Okay, what is your range? The city. You need to look for that city. And then you're gonna use here Mumbai. And after that, sum range. What do you mean by sum range? The salary column. Whichever the number column you have to select that column. Now you can see this is the value. Is it matching or not? Cross check. So first, the condition, then what output you required from that Mumbai city. So in short, you're adding all the salary of Mumbai city, and the total salary of Mumbai city is 1,31,797. And the same output will come with average also. Just create one more with the average if. I missed this part. Please create this. Good.
Done, sir.
Hello, you.
Yes, please.
Can you explain the count the number greater than and equal to? Explain above.
First, you are selecting the range of C column, and then you are giving the values like this, greater than and equals to sign.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. So we have a formula called average if. So here also you're gonna select total average salary for Mumbai city. So what is on and average salary for each employee? If you want to identify, then you're gonna use, the range of city, and then you're gonna type here Mumbai, and then you're gonna type here salary. So you're identifying the average salary for Mumbai city is 32,000 for each employee. In short, how it is getting calculated? So it is calculating like this: 131,797 divided by 4 employees. So this is what you are getting the output. So you have the count of employee 4 for Mumbai city, and the average salary will be this much. And the total salary of Mumbai city is this. Clear? So based on the condition, you have worked on this. Any questions? I have created that average if. I want you guys to create it. That's it. And the formula, let me write it here. The same formula like your sum if. There is no changes here. If you have any questions, you can ask. What happened? Safida, are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
Thank you. Any questions, anyone? I'm waiting. No? Okay. So tomorrow you have this much also. This is also there a question. So this is your homework, and extra add-on homework I have given you. If you are interested, you can do this, but this is mandatory because this will come under the interview questions. Clear on this? I should
Okay.
get this answer. Thank you.
So can you share this workbook for us?
Yeah, why not? If you have no questions, I'm gonna share it. My working sheet you're asking for?
Yes, sir.
Because comparing for our answer with the
Sure. Take it. Anyone, any questions? Then we are good to leave. Thank you all. Take care.
Ayub, I have a
Thank you,
question.
sir.
Yes, please.
Hello. Ayub, that Tableau today we had this class, no?
Tableau.
So did you share the files for all the
No.
training that we have completed?
Tomorrow I'm gonna share it. Tomorrow is again we have a TP, no?
Yes, yes.
So that is the reason. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Jazakallah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, are you?
Yes.
If any manufacturing data, so what exactly images adding this data?
Huh?
Manufacturing data. Actually, I'm doing right now the project now.
Uh-huh.
So that's why I'm asked to you.
What is there? If it is not matching data, then?
No, manufacturing data is there.
Okay.
But whenever I'm creating the Power BI table, so that
Okay.
time what exactly images are due.
What it is happening if you create
It's
a
on manufacturing at defecting atoms are there.
Mhm.
Buyers and whatever things.
So you need to analyze the data based on which buyer is having most manufacturing count of which product and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you.
you.